So, fail number one was getting a rotten egg in my mixture. I actually checked the expiration date on my eggs and they were still good to go. So, I guess it's just bad luck, but we're just gonna start over again, which is fine. But yuck, it stank. Fail number two, I struggled to assemble this mixer. One of the whisks went on really well, but this one just struggled to get in, and I don't know why. It was really frustrating, but you know what? I decided I'm just gonna work with one and just rotate the bowl. You gotta do what you gotta do. Also, I am not experienced with mixers, so don't come after me. Whoa, what the?
And I'm going to turn this again down low at first until it's pretty much all incorporated. I'm going to crank the heat up to medium and I'll show you what it looks like.
Okay, fail number three. I guess I don't know how to use a mixer, or I think it's because I only had one whisk in there, so I tried replacing it with a spirally whisk. I don't know what they're called. Don't come after me, please. The same Cake Boss. Anyways, so that didn't work, and I decided, you know what? I'm just gonna do this by hand. Don't ask why I'm poking it like that. So for the filling, the recipe called for a 1/4 cup of white sugar, but I thought that was way too much, so I cut it down to just a little bit. I'm not sure exactly how much that it was, but way less than a 1/4 cup. fail number 4. I've honestly lost count. But anyways, so I was supposed to let these cinnamon rolls rise a little bit more before I put butter on them, because you want to put butter on your cinnamon rolls when you're putting them in the oven, which I completely forgot about. So I put butter on the cinnamon rolls and then let them rise instead of the other way around. So let them rise first and then put butter on them before I put them in the oven. So for the icing, I actually ran out of regular powdered sugar / icing sugar, whatever you call it. And turns out you can actually make your own icing sugar, yes, just by blending regular granulated sugar. So after an hour or so, you can see that the cinnamon rolls have risen quite a bit, and so it is time to put them in the oven. Okay guys, so the cinnamon rolls are almost ready. It smells amazing in here. I can't believe it's me making this. So we're gonna start by making the glaze. So I guess I got too excited about the cinnamon rolls turning out amazing and just stopped filming me making the icing. So I'm really sorry about that. I realized that I just got too excited and then I made the icing off camera. So I'm just gonna skip over and show you the finished product. So this is how they turned out. I was so excited because for my first time, I think I actually nailed this. They tasted even better with the icing on. I just thought these were amazing. I'm so happy they turned out great. Also, the fails and the time invested in these was definitely worth it. So there you go. Thank you for watching me struggle through making cinnamon rolls, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more like this, let me know. And yeah, have a great day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Guys, they're ready. I cannot believe I pulled this off. I am so happy right now. Wow, they look amazing. I can't wait to try one, and yeah, this was worth the suffering. So